Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville in Jacksonville Beach, and I'm standing on a brand new Scout 215 XSF. Great boat. This is one of our top selling 21-foot boats that we carry here at MarineMax, and I'll tell you why. Great leaning post setup, great transom seat setup, huge bow lounger up front, great bow seating with chair backs up front also. This is one of the few that does have a head on it, so great for the family, especially if you got young kids. Full fiberglass hardtop on it, integrated LEDs in the hardtop, fully powder coated all the way down. No electronics in this one, so you can pick out what type of electronics package you want on it, whether it's Raymarine, Garmin, Simrad. We can install anything. Our installers are all certified and give you an extra warranty on those electronics you choose to install. And speaking of warranties, you've got a great power plant here. It comes with a standard 3-year warranty on the Yamahas. This is a Yamaha 150. Tried and true power. This motor's been out forever, and it's super reliable, super efficient. Feel free to come down and take a look at the brand new 215 XSF at MarineMax Jacksonville in Jacksonville Beach.